Dude, that sounds so good.
The Corsa sounds so amazing, so rather than take you out on some sunny day, why don't we just black it all out at night and listen to this? Just an axle bag turned this into a friggin' Le Mans car. When you get some guardrail action, it reflects off the surfaces, so you can be like, I find myself making a lot of unnecessary downshifts now. I apologize, but I'm not sorry. Behind me is an R35 GTR Black Edition. Yo, we're driving a really overpriced Maxima.
Ultimate coupe.
Because naturally you would need that to keep up. I'm just kidding, that's really cocky. It's like 600 horsepower. Oh yeah, he's right there. You can hear the turbo. I'm gonna put the windows up so that way you can hear what it sounds like inside the car. Unnecessary downshift. What do you think about it, Alex?
God, I gotta say, Tom, because I've been in this car a number of times with a stock exhaust, and literally, like you said, just an axle back makes all the difference. I think sound is such an important part of a car.
The thing is, with the Akrapovic, new is $7,000, right? So when you're talking about $7,000 to get a sound, that's like high-end audio.
Yep.
This was a grand, a little over a grand. And it sounds really good. Nice and slow past our little friend over here. Probably just doing a drug deal.
I see like he's smoking a joint.
Anyone sitting out here watching me is more of an outlaw than I am, I'll tell you that much. Let's roll on from 3,000 RPM. Got one more turn left. Well, let me turn the light on. That is the first taste of the Corsa. Lots more to come on this exhaust, but I'm really excited that my M3 actually sounds like something. I'm gonna do a full review so I can tell you a little more about the drone and lack thereof. Corsa advertises this as completely droneless. That's like their thing. But I do find that like around 75 to 80 miles an hour, while you're doing kind of like maintenance throttle on a flat surface on the highway, you definitely hear it. You know it's here. I mean, you can even hear it right now. But like once you're at that 3,000 RPM level, it's there. Really, it's not bad. You turn up the volume on the radio a little bit and it's not earth-shattering. I'm in 5th gear right now and I'm hoofing it a little bit. So you'll hear a little bit of like that bassy drone, but that's completely induced by me. Sorry for belching, that's gross to do on camera, but I can't help it. This is an honest channel. So stay tuned for more to come on this car and this exhaust. Don't forget to check out the link to APX Automotive Personalities Experience September 16th up at Shriners Auditorium in Wilmington, Massachusetts. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. And of course, respect the drive. See you in the next one. Listen to the GTR.